what we have is a situation where a very young girl was abused as a child, and she lost a lot of her senses as far as sight, hearing. She couldn't walk anymore. Her grandmother took custody of her, and her grandmother's home is not ADA accessible. Someone that she is a really good friend with reached out to the Carpenters Union for help. We called ironworkers to do the railing system. We had to call the electricians to help us to run all the wiring. We called the lift company, One-on-One Mobility, who was nice enough to actually donate the lift and the labor of installing the lift.
It started with a phone call that I got from Joe Lockley. He wanted me to meet him down here. He had a project that he was working on. So I said, sure, I'll meet you down there. I didn't understand the depth of the project. And I came down and I met with Joe, and I met Grandma, I met the daughter, and I said, you know what, Joe, we want to be involved with this. We're just going to do it.
This really, truly, this is not an everyday occurrence. What it means to Miss Thornton and Siani, you can't even say how much it means. I mean, you guys saw it all. I mean, they had a carrier up and down these steps, you know? So we can't begin to say what it means. I mean, it's evident.
It just warms your heart to know that so many people came together to make something happen for someone that they didn't even know. You know what I mean? And it's a major thing.
My concern was my age getting older, her getting older, and trying to navigate these steps. The mornings are much more pleasant, much more easier. And then it keeps her mobile too, because you know, if it gets so we can't get her out, you know, she's not going to get out because she can't navigate steps. Thank you. I don't know what to say. Just thank you. Thank you.
Good job.
You did great.